Glendale homeowners know the value of bright, airy living spaces, especially in a city known for its abundant sunshine, warm desert climate, and beautiful outdoor scenery. When looking for ways to improve comfort and indoor air quality, slider windows have become one of the most popular and effective choices. Their wide glass surfaces and easy gliding design make them ideal for maximizing both natural light and ventilation, creating a more refreshed and inviting home. Here's how slider windows enhance natural lighting and airflow throughout Glendale residences. Larger glass areas bring in more Arizona sunshine. One of the biggest benefits of slider windows is their expansive glass panes. Unlike double-hung or casement windows, slider windows are designed with wide, horizontal panels that allow more sunlight to enter your home throughout the day. This added natural light offers Glendale homeowners brighter living spaces, a more open and spacious feel, reduced need for artificial lighting, better visibility, and home ambiance. Whether you're updating a living room, bedroom, or kitchen, slider windows help you take full advantage of Glendale's bright, sunny climate. Smooth horizontal operation for easy, controlled ventilation. Ventilation is a key factor in maintaining indoor comfort, especially in Glendale, where temperatures can rise quickly. Slider windows make it easy to let fresh air into your home thanks to their user-friendly horizontal sliding design. Homeowners benefit from effortless opening and closing, quick airflow during warm afternoons, better control of indoor temperatures, improved circulation throughout the home. The simple, glide-open design is especially helpful in high-traffic areas or hard-to-reach spaces like above sinks or countertops. Excellent airflow for refreshing desert evenings. While Glendale's days can be hot, its evenings often bring cooler, refreshing breezes. Slider windows allow homeowners to capture that cool air and circulate it throughout the home. With slider windows, you can enjoy natural cooling at night, improved air quality, reduced use of air conditioning, a more comfortable and breathable home environment. Their wide opening sizes make them ideal for maximizing airflow on pleasant desert nights. Ideal for large openings and scenic views. Many Glendale homes feature beautiful views of the mountains, desert landscapes, or well-designed outdoor spaces. Slider windows enhance those views with their large, unobstructed glass panels and low-profile frames. This design helps create seamless indoor-outdoor connection, showcase scenic surroundings, bring more natural beauty into the home, make rooms feel larger and more luxurious. For living rooms and master bedrooms, slider windows offer a stunning upgrade that highlights the essence of Arizona living. Energy-efficient options help control heat gain. Even with abundant sunlight, Glendale homeowners still want to keep their homes cool and energy efficient. Modern slider windows come with a range of energy-saving features that reduce heat transfer while still allowing natural light in. Energy-efficient slider window options include low-E, low emissivity coatings to reflect heat, double or triple pane glass for insulation, gas-filled panes, argon or krypton, thermally insulated frames. These features help prevent excessive heat from entering the home, reducing cooling costs during Glendale's hottest months. Perfect for contemporary Glendale architecture, slider windows complement many Glendale architectural styles, including modern and minimalist homes, mid-century designs, southwestern-inspired residences, ranch-style houses, new construction homes. Their clean lines and sleek profile enhance curb appeal while providing practical advantages inside the home. Low maintenance performance for busy homeowners. Slider windows are known for being durable and easy to maintain. With fewer moving parts than crank-style windows, they operate reliably and require minimal upkeep, perfect for homeowners who want convenience without sacrificing performance. Benefits include easy cleaning, smooth long-term operation, less mechanical wear, long-lasting durability, a smart upgrade for brighter, fresher Glendale homes. With their wide glass panels, smooth operation, and excellent airflow capabilities, slider windows are an ideal choice for Glendale homeowners looking to brighten their living spaces and improve ventilation. They offer a perfect blend of beauty, practicality, and comfort, making them a smart investment that enhances your home's indoor environment year-round. If you want to enjoy more Arizona sunshine and better airflow, Slider Windows are a stylish, energy-efficient upgrade that delivers lasting benefits for your Glendale residents.